Once upon a time, in a peaceful meadow surrounded by tall trees and magnificent flowers, there lived an extraordinary duckling named Ugly. Ugly was different from the other ducklings in the pond. He had messy feathers and a not-so-elegant appearance that made him stand out. The other animals in the meadow often made fun of Ugly, making him feel lonely and sad. One sunny day, while wandering near the pond, the Ugly discovered a secret path leading to a mysterious forest. Intrigued, he decided to explore what lay beyond the meadow. Along the way, he encountered wise old turtles, friendly rabbits, and even a playful squirrel who encouraged him to embrace his uniqueness. As he moved deeper into the Ugly forest, he came across a magical lake with sparkling waters. A magnificent swan surprised him by gliding gracefully over the lake. The Ugly man was fascinated by the beauty and grace of the swan and desired to be equally elegant. Determined to change, the Ugly sought guidance from the wise animals of the forest. By sharing their stories of self-discovery and acceptance, they taught the Ugly duckling that true beauty comes from within. Inspired by these lessons, the Ugly duckling decided to embark on a journey of self-improvement. Ugly was practicing swimming every day, trimming his feathers and improving his skills. His desire and effort attracted the attention of the wise old swan and revealed a magical secret. The lake had the power to transform those who embraced their true self with love and acceptance. As the Ugly duckling continued to grow and learn, his once messy feathers began to shine with a newfound sparkle. The other animals in the meadow were amazed at his transformation. The Ugly duckling had turned into a magnificent swan. This happened thanks to her pursuit of her dream, self-love, and determination. The meadow, which had once echoed with laughter at the expense of the Ugly, was now filled with the sounds of admiration of the animals. The story of the Ugly became an inspiring legend, teaching all the inhabitants of the meadow the importance of acceptance and the beauty of embracing one's uniqueness. The Ugly boy's journey from an outcast duckling to a graceful swan has become an immortal story of self-discovery, resilience, and the transformative power of love. And so, in the heart of the magical meadows, the legend of the beast continued to remind everyone that true beauty comes from acceptance of self and others.